For the riders, because this is a mostly biking channel. There you go. Welcome to heaven, I'm telling you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 monsters here. First one is this beautiful V4 Ducati, an amazing bike. The owner is right here. He told us some details about it. This is carbon fiber here, modified. This is carbon fiber to be easier, to be as light as possible and as easy as possible to be ridden on the streets. This is carbon fiber as well. Talking about power, 205 brake horsepower, 195 kilos. So imagine more than 1 horsepower per kilo, which is an amazing ratio. If you want to ride it, it's gonna come with this stock, and if you want to have someone riding with you, you're gonna have to change that part entirely to be able to have someone with you. Talking about price, if you want to buy one of these monsters, $18,000, which is not a big price for such an amazing vehicle. Next one, this beautiful Aprilia that's gonna have its headlight a bit modified. Can you give us some details about what you're modifying here?
We're trying to do a template for tinting the headlights.
Right.
So we have to make the template. So I'm using a piece of vinyl just to make the template, because actually it's better not to use the knife on the spot on the surface where you're cutting. So the knife is going to be used outside the parts.
Okay.
So we're gonna make with the marker here on the lines and make the template and then install it.
Okay. And if people want to find you and they want to come to use your services,
www.stepwraps.com, and that's my site, or my social media, Step Wraps.
another amazing monster, 210 as standard, but this one has been modified and now it's 230 brake horsepower. It's a 2020 model, full Akrapovic set exhaust, a lot of carbon fiber as well. As you can see here, a lot of carbon here as well, here, everywhere you look. Beautiful, beautiful machine. So we're waiting for your votes. It's either that beautiful Ducati there, and then don't show it yet, don't. It's gonna be a surprise. The third one, which is my favorite, it's a monster, I'm telling you. Guys, I'm telling you, the one that I'm gonna show you right now, it's so rare that in my country there are only 2 of them. And the drums, the monster, beautiful M bike made by BMW. It came standard in 210 brake horsepower, been modified a bit, has some bits and pieces changed. A lot of carbon fiber around here, everywhere. Came as stock in titanium, but again has been modified to be lighter. The wheels are carbon fiber as well. There are many riding modes in pro riding mode, which are Rain, Road, Dynamic, Race, and Race Pro 1. And in this Race Pro 1, you can actually modify as much as you want. You can modify how much power it comes in the wheels. You can modify the ABS. You can modify basically everything. This is carbon fiber as well here to keep you down on the roads. I don't know. It's an amazing bike. I'm telling you.